This is going to be a quick instructional video on how I built this fountain. I got these old dried out whiskey barrels from a local distillery. To get them resealed, put the bands back exactly where they go, and then put 3 finishing nails under each band to hold them in place. Don't put the nail all the way through the wood, just enough to hold the band up. Fill the whiskey barrels once in the morning and once at night until they stop leaking out. It usually takes about a week or 2. Using the middle band as a guide, take your circular saw and cut the barrel into a 1/3 and 2/3 just below the bunghole. Next, knock out the plug and use that plug to seal the top hole. A 1.5-inch galvanized steel pipe fits perfectly in this hole. Just hand thread it in and then tighten it down with a pipe wrench, and it should seal up just fine. I used an 8-inch pipe, but you could use longer or shorter if you wanted to. After the cut, the barrel may have loosened up, so hammer the band down really tight to make sure it seals perfectly. I got this solar-powered pump off of Amazon. It doesn't have a battery, so it turns off at night, which is perfect because I don't want it to run at night anyway. It comes with a lot of options for fountain heads, a bubbler, a spray nozzle, but I'm going to use the tube to run water up to the top barrel. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. Okay, back to the build. Drill a 1 3/4-inch hole at about the location shown. It doesn't have to be exact, just so long as it's higher than the second barrel. Use a Dremel or sandpaper to open the hole up a little bit and then taper it just a bit to accept the pipe. Hand thread it in and then use a pipe wrench to tighten it until the threads are all the way into the wood. Use a Sharpie to draw a nice spout shape on the pipe. Use an angle grinder to shape the pipe and a metal file to knock off any burrs or sharp edges. Make sure you wear hearing protection, unlike myself. This is the spray paint I had laying around, but any exterior paint will do. Make sure you paint it before you thread it in place, or the pipe wrench will ruin the paint. Now all that's left is to make it look nice. Put the barrels where you want them and rotate the spouts so that it flows from one into the next. Put your plants where you want them, or where your wife wants them. We chose a bunch of flowering perennial plants so that we wouldn't have to replace them every year, but you can really choose whatever you want. Put your pump in the smallest barrel and run the tube to the hole in the top barrel, and then put your solar panel in direct sunlight. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and subscribe to see more projects like this.